Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and I'm here to do a number talk with you today. So grab up some members of your families. Maybe you have a brother or sister who could do this number talk with you, or a mom or dad or a babysitter or a nanny. Grab somebody and we're going to do a number talk together. So remember, when we do a number talk, we only use our brains. So we don't have any paper, we don't have any tools, we don't have any pencils alongside us today. We're just using our brains because we want to see how we can solve this problem. All right, so you guys ready? So our first one today is 6 plus 6 plus 6. All right, I'm going to give you some think time. And in class, you know how we always go like this? We put our hands over our hearts and we say, oh, I have one way I could solve this. And then we think for another way we could solve it. So let's take some time to think what 6 plus 6 plus 6 would be. All right. Turn and tell somebody in your family or somebody who's beside you what you think 6 plus 6 plus 6 is. Did you guys get the same answer? See if you can figure out, if you got different answers, you could see if you can figure out who was wrong and where their mistake was, and maybe who was right and how you can help that other person. All right, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. All right, so I'm gonna guess that some of you probably used your doubles facts. 6 plus 6 is 12. And then you probably did plus 6 more is 18. That's one way. I'm gonna guess somebody else may have done, let's see, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is the same as 5 and 1, 5 and 1, 5 and 1 more. Kind of like a number bond, huh? And 1, 2, 3 5s. 5 plus 5 plus 5. I'm going to guess somebody said, well, I know that's 15. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And that makes 18. All right. I wonder if I guessed one of your ways. Did I get it right? You can tell me in the comments. All right. Here's another one. We're going to try the next one. All right. You ready? Remember, you're going to get some think time. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, let's do our think time. All right, turn and tell somebody what you got for 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. What'd you get? Did you guys get the same answer? Okay, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals, say it. You're right, it's 32. All right, so I'm gonna guess that some of you probably did. That would be 2 and 6. I could break the 8 down into a 2 and a 6. And I could steal one of those 2s away and make a group of 10. I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, though. I'm going to guess maybe you did it again. And then I'm going to guess you took those 10s and put them together and made 20. And I'm going to guess you took those 6s and you put those together and you made 12. And you put that 20 and that 10 right there together and made 30. And then you got 2 more, so that makes 32. I'm going to guess that may have been one way. All right, let's see if I can take another guess. I'm going to guess that somebody did this. 8 plus 8 is 16. Because I bet somebody said, I know my doubles facts. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Another 8 plus 8 is 16. And I bet some of you said, well, I know that's a 10 and a 6 and a 10 and a 6. 10 plus 10 is 20. Oops. 10 plus 10 is 20. And 6 plus 6 is 12. And then we have the same thing that's over there. 20 and 12. 20 and 12 make 32. Did I get anybody's answer right? Did I guess any of the ways right? Maybe so. All right, so we've done our number talk. Now we're going to move over to our story problem, which I bet some of you guys saw is about Lucky Charms. So we're going to check out our Lucky Charms story today. All right, so here we go. There are, oh, I forgot to tell you, you should be reading this with me. Read this with me. There are boxes of Lucky Charms cereal. Best part, marshmallows. Each box has marshmallows inside the box. How many marshmallows are there in all? Okay, turn to somebody and tell them something you know for sure about the story problem. What do you know for sure? Okay, did you know for sure we had boxes of Lucky Charms? Okay, good. What else do we know for sure? We also know for sure the amount of marshmallows in each box. We're going to know that for sure. All right, and then what is the question that we're trying to solve? Turn to somebody and tell them. Trying to find out how many marshmallows there are in all. All right, so you guys ready to find out your just right number sets? Okay, here they come. Your just right number set might be 6 and 4. Or it might be 9 and 4. Or it might be 9 and 14. I'm going to give you one more choice. It might be 11 and 39. And guys, this is just like in class. So if I choose this number set, this is my first sticker here. So it has to go on my first line right here. This is my second sticker. It has to go on my second line. And I have to make sure I choose a group of stickers that are together. So 6 and 4 were together. I could choose those. Or I could choose 11 and 39. 11 goes first, 39 goes second. Okay, are you guys ready? Grab your papers and solve. See you next time.